Good morning, dear student. This is GK class 5th. I am Paramji. Today we will discuss two chapters. First chapter, Gift of Healthy Life. So students, in this chapter we will discuss about yoga and some yoga poses. Okay, we will learn steps, process, and we will learn benefits of some yoga. Okay, so then chapter 2, milk. In this chapter, we will discuss about milk, benefits of milk, and sources of from the milk. Okay, sources of milk. So, students, let's start from the chapter first. Chapter first is the gift of healthy life. So, students, first of all, I want to say about yoga. Yoga is not a religion, it is a way of living that aims towards a healthy mind in a healthy body. Okay, so man is a physical, mental, and spiritual being. Yoga helps promote a balanced development of all the three. Means उसकी physically, उसको mentally और spiritually तीनों में उसको balance करता है. Okay, so other forms of physical exercise like जैसे कि aerobics आप करते हो, that assures only physical well-being. उसमें आप physically ही better हो सकते हो. Okay, and yogic exercise recharge the body with cosmic energy. Yoga is a system of physical, mental exercise designed thousands of years ago to balance and unite the mind, body, and spirit. So, students, it has many facilitated. First is the to attainment of perfect equilibrium and harmony. Second is it promotes self-healing. Third is it removes negative blocks from the mind and toxin from the body. And it enhances personal power. आपकी personal power को enhance करता है. And it increases self-awareness. And it helps in attention, focus, and concentration, especially important for children. आप किसी भी वर्क को करते हो तो उसको पूरा फोकस करके उसके ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हो अगर आप योगा करते हो. It reduces stress and tension in the physical body by activating the parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, so yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yuga. That means union. There are many different types of yoga and yoga practices, and the most common type of US is hatha. That is also the Sanskrit word. Ha means sun and tha means moon. Okay, and some other major types, vinyasa. It means it flows from one pose to another. इसमें सिर्फ poses change होते हैं तो focus is on the coordinating breath. इसमें जो आप breath लेते हैं, inhale करते हैं, exhale करते हैं, इसके ऊपर main focus रहता है and movement in a bit fluid series of poses. Okay, second is the Bikram, that is the hot yoga. इसमें focus रहता है strength पे. Okay, endurance, flexibility and weight loss. And third is the Ashtanga, that is a very athletic yoga. So American version is power yoga, progressive and continuous series of postures. So we have some special yogas in our book. So today we will discuss these yogas. First is the butterfly pose. Students, this pose helps calm the body and mind, helps relieve stress and fatigue. So it's great for opening the hips and good stretch for the ankles. So what are the steps to do this yoga? First of all, sit straight with legs spread out. You can see in the picture with this girl. So bend knees and then bring feet inward. ठीक है, अपने जो feet है उनको अपने inwards में join करना है. Then bring feet together, उनको together join करके about 6 inches away from the pelvis. And then hold feet tightly with your hands. जैसे गर्ल ने देखो पकड़ा हुआ है अपने हैंड से. And then inhale deeply. जो breathe है, जो सांस लेनी है वो आपने अंदर लेनी है. And press the thighs and knees down. You can see in the picture. जैसे नीज को वो अप डाउन कर रहे हैं तो आपने इसके ऐसे ही नीचे करना है थाइस को. एंड ब्रीथ नॉर्मली एंड स्टार्ट फ्लैपिंग बोथ लेग्स अप एंड डाउन, अप एंड डाउन. स्टार्ट स्लोली, स्टार्टिंग में आपने धीरे धीरे करना है, देन इंक्रीज स्पीड. रिपीट फॉर 5 to 10 minutes डेली. एंड स्लो डाउन एंड स्टॉप. जब आपने इसको स्टॉप करना है तो स्लो स्लो करके डाउन करना है, स्टॉप देन करना है. Then breathe deeply and slowly stretch out your legs. Okay, this is the butterfly pose. Okay, students. Next is upward facing dog pose. Students, this pose makes the spinal cord strong and not only opens one's chest but stretches it too. इसको stretch भी करता है ये. And may help relieve symptoms of asthma. Okay, students. और इसको करने के जो हमारे steps हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बिगिन लाइंग फ्लैट ऑन योर स्टमक. आप अपने स्टमक यानी कि स्टमक के उल्टा इसमें लेट जाएंगे, स्टमक के बल पे. एंड प्रेस द इनर एज ऑफ योर हैंड्स इनटू द फ्लोर एंड स्लाइटली बैकवर्ड्स एज इफ यू वर ट्राइंग टू पुल योर लोअर स्पाइन आउट ऑफ योर pelvis, like this. You can see in this picture. Okay, and then inhale means अपने अंदर सांस लेनी है and lift your torso further while raising your hips and thighs off the floor. Okay, you can see in this picture. Your torso means your जो ये धड़ होता है यानी कि हेड को छोड़ के जो नीचे का पोर्शन है उसको आपने यहाँ पर रेज करना है. ओके, next is tree pose. Students, in this yoga pose, this pose improves balance, strengthen and thighs, calves and ankles, stretches legs and even develops concentration. Okay, so what are the steps to do this pose? इसको वृक्षासन भी कहते हैं. So stand erect, then keep a distance of 1 feet between the legs, like this. You can see in the picture. Second, raise your arms up, keeping the palms closer in Anjali Mudra. Anjali Mudra में जैसे इन्होंने किया हुआ है. And then raise the right leg up and place it on the left thigh, similar to the leg position of Ardha Padmasana. Right? And then breathe normally. आपने normal breathe लेना है उसके बाद. You can see in this picture. This is the tree pose, Vrikshasana. Okay. Then release the right leg down. And repeat this sometime for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Next pose is happy baby pose. Students, this is it gently stretches the inner groin and spine. जैसे छोटे बेबी होते हैं ना, तो वो अपने फीट को ऐसे पकड़ के, कहीं कहीं बेबी तो अपने मुंह में भी डालते हैं, तो आप देखते हो कि दोनों लेग्स को अपने हैंड्स में पकड़ लेते हैं. तो ये वो स्टेप है. बट इस स्टेप से भी ये पोज जो है ये भी बहुत बेनिफिटेड है. इससे स्ट्रेच होता है आपकी पूरी बैक स्पाइन जो है वो आपका पूरा स्ट्रेच होता है. एंड what are the steps? First is the lie flat on your back on the floor or a mat. Then step 2, with your head flat on the mat, bend your knees towards your chest at a 90-degree angle. Face the soles of your feet up toward the ceiling and reaching forward, grab and hold the inside or outside like this. You can see in this picture like this. Next pose is snake pose. Snake pose, it strengthens the spine, back of arms and legs, and also stretches the shoulders, chest and belly. You can see in the picture like this. Okay. So what are the steps to do this? First of all, press the tops of the feet down into the mat. Then take a deep inhale and lift your head, chest, shoulder and abdomen means stomach off the mat. जैसे ये देखो जैसे रिवर्स को उल्टा लेटना है. Contract the back muscles and energetically your clasp towards your simultaneously push the energy to your that is the best move. Okay, forward to fully open the. You can see in the pose in this picture. So students, today we have learned some poses, so you will try in your daily life. Okay, students. Next chapter is milk. So students, milk is nutrient rich liquid food produced by the mammary glands of mammals, means जो दुधारू जानवर होते हैं. So it is primary source of nutrition for young mammals. Milk is made of 4 components other than water. First is the fat, second is the protein, third is the lactose, and fourth is the mineral. So milk from different animals create different results. Here we will focus on fundamental differences between milk. Okay. So the 20th century brought new technologies to milk production, resulting in safer dairy products worldwide. बहुत सेफ हो गए हैं अब ये और पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये पॉपुलर मतलब अब फैल चुके हैं क्योंकि अब हर जगह मिल्क के प्रोडक्ट्स आपको इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाते हैं. सो कंसीडर हेल्दी एंड डिलीशियस. मिल्क कम्स फ्रॉम अ वैरायटी ऑफ मैमल्स and is a major source of nutrition of all living creatures. So let's learn about some about milk. So these are the mammals: cow, sheep, camel, goat, and और भी हैं जैसे buffalo वगैरह भी हैं. Okay. First of all, we will learn about milk from cow. Students, despite its creamy texture, milk comprises 85 to 90% water. इनके दूध में जो है 85 to 90% water तो है ही है, but इसके अलावा the rest of its volume comes from nutritious vitamins. इसके अलावा इसमें vitamins हैं, protein है, carbohydrates हैं, and fat भी है. Okay. And a single cow yields up 90 glasses of the milk per day. एक दिन में ये 90 ग्लास दूध देती है एक सिंगल काउ. And 2 lakh glasses in its whole life, पूरी life में. Okay. And third is the milk is a unique because no other beverage is in the world contains as many nutrients. ऐसा कोई और beverage नहीं है जिसको आप मिल्क के साथ कंपेयर कर सको. जितने न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिल्क में है इतने न्यूट्रिएंट्स किसी और बेवरेजेस में नहीं है. Young children need the nutrients that milk provides because their developing skeletal system replaces bones mass about every 2 years until they reach maturity. जो young children हैं उनके लिए ये ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है लेना nutrients because उनकी जो एज होती है वो डेवलपिंग उसमें स्केलेटल सिस्टम जो होता है उनका मीन्स जो ये जिसको आप बोलते हैं जो आपकी बोन्स है ये कंकाल जो होता है आपका वो पूरा यहाँ पर डेवलप होता है फुल मतलब हेड टू फीट आपका जो पूरा सिस्टम है वो इकट्ठा यहाँ डेवलप होता है रिप्लेस होता है हर 2 साल के बाद. सो अंटिल दे रीच मेच्योरिटी जब तक कि आप मेच्योर नहीं हो जाते तो उसके लिए जो मिल्क है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. ओके. And milk would not be afforded without the protein content. Okay, students, and all cows are female. male cattle are called bulls, right? Benefits of milk. So students, India is the largest producer of milk in the world. Second thing, drinking milk reduces stress and tiredness. Third is consuming 1 glass cold milk prevents acidity. Then milk contains conjugated linoleic acid that helps in weight loss. उसमें ये एसिड होते हैं जिससे कि वेट लॉस होता है. And 1 glass of milk a day can improve your body's immunity. Okay. Milk has a high source of vitamin B12 that protects the central nervous system. It also helps in converting your food in energy. Okay. And milk day भी हम celebrate करते हैं कब? June 1st of every year is usually celebrated as a World Milk Day. Milk has a rich source of vitamin A that helps maintain a healthy immune system and keeps your skin healthy. Okay, students? Milk from other sources. काऊ के अलावा और भी बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं जिससे हमें मिल्क मिलता है, लाइक गोट, कैमल, buffaloes, sheep. Okay, so we will see. Milk from goat. So goat's milk contains more butter, fat than cow's milk. काउ के मिल्क के कंपैरेटिवली जो गोट का मिल्क है उसमें बटर और फैट जो है वो ज्यादा रहता है. So second is that goat's milk breaks down during digestion in 20 minutes, whereas cow milk takes full hour. So इसको जो डाइजेशन के लिए जो टाइम है वो भी कम लगता है. जो गोट का मिल्क है वो काफी लाइट वेट रहता है और इसको जल्दी से डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है. तो जो न्यूबॉर्न होते हैं उनके लिए गोट के जो मिल्क है वो काफी बेनिफिशियल है क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी से डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है. ओके. एंड ईच डिफरेंट डेयरी गोट यील्ड अ डिफरेंट फ्लेवर ऑफ मिल्क. सभी डेयरीज की अलग अलग गोट्स होती हैं तो उनकी जो मिल्क है उनके फ्लेवर्स भी डिफरेंट रहेंगे. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज milk from camel. So students, camel's milk contains a high level of insulin and antibodies that are good for regulating diabetes and other diseases. कैमल का जो मिल्क है वो बहुत सारे डिजीजेस को रिमूव करने में हेल्पफुल होता है. ठीक है, क्योंकि इसमें एंटीबॉडीज और इंसुलिन लेवल बहुत ज्यादा रहता है. ओके. सेकंड, कैमल्स मिल्क कंटेन्स मोर विटामिन सी देन काउस मिल्क. काउ के मिल्क के कंपैरेटिवली इसमें विटामिन सी जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा रहता है. इट इज आल्सो बेनिफिटेड फॉर ह्यूमन बॉडी. ओके. So next is the unsolved exercise in your book. So open your books, page number is 15. You can write the correct answers with me. First is milk a good source of vitamin A and vitamin D? Yes. It is a good source of vitamin A and vitamin D. Second question is, how much fat does whole milk have? It is 3.5%. Okay, note down the answers. Then question third, can drinking too much milk put a child at a risk of obesity, constipation and iron deficiency? Yes. अगर आप ज्यादा एक्सेस में दूध लेंगे तो उससे ओबेसिटी की प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, कॉन्स्टिपेशन की प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, आयरन डेफिशिएंसी भी हो सकती है. इसको आप लिमिटेड ही लेंगे, मतलब 3 4 glass in one day you can take. Next question, how many essential vitamins and minerals are there in milk? So students, there are 9 essential vitamins and minerals. First one, calcium. Second, protein. Third is vitamin B12. Fourth is vitamin A. Fifth is vitamin D. Sixth is potassium. Seventh is phosphorus. Seventh is niacin. And the last ninth is riboflavin. Okay. Next question, question number 5. Name one mineral of which milk is a good source. Answer is calcium. Is okay. Next question is how many glasses of milk should a teenager drink each day? Answer is 4 glasses. Okay. Next question, question 7. What do dairy cows eat? Answer is grass, hay, grain, silage. ठीक है, जो काउ osteoporosis. Okay. Next, question number 9. Why do children need to drink milk or eat dairy products? क्यों लेनी चाहिए children को ये सब चीजें? For proper growth and to help build strong bones and teeth. Okay. Bones और teeth को strong करने के लिए और proper growth के लिए. And last question is which food are made from milk? बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो मिल्क से बनती हैं, like cheese, butter, curd, cream, ice cream, etc. You can write anything जो भी आप मिल्क से बनाते हो. So students, I hope you understand all things. Revise these topics and write the answers in the exercise in your book. Okay. Thank you, students. Stay at home. Stay safe. Have a nice day.